A baby tiger was crying for help after getting bullied by a mongoose. Turns out, the little tiger, fresh to daycare, didn't know the rules and sat on the mongoose's tiny bed like it was a bench. The mongoose was so mad, it stomped its feet and went all karate on the tiger. The poor tiger had no choice but to hide in the corner, wailing. Luckily, the zookeeper showed up just in time and put the mongoose in timeout. But the mongoose wasn't done. It ran straight to the big boss gorilla to snitch. The gorilla, hearing that someone messed with its buddy, dashed over to confront the tiger. The little critters were too scared to fight back and huddled in the corner, trembling. Before they could even react, each one got a few slaps from the gorilla, who whistled tauntingly the whole time. The zookeeper,